Hi guys, this is the Princess Prado channel. This video is about the manual transmission G52 oil change. Changing the oil is easier on a car lift or inspection pit. The vehicle must be level. Use a 24mm socket wrench to remove the manual transmission filler plug. Use a tray to collect the used oil. It appears the manual transmission was overfilled. Use a 24mm socket wrench to remove the manual transmission drain plug. Following the normal maintenance schedule for the manual transmission oil, inspect and correct oil level or replace oil as necessary every 48 months or 40,000 kilometers, whichever comes first. Following the additional maintenance schedule for special operating conditions, when towing a trailer, using a camper, or car top carrier, it is necessary to change the oil every 48 months or 40,000 kilometers, whichever comes first. In the case of continuous high-speed driving, 80% or more of maximum vehicle speed, for over 2 hours, change oil every 48 months or 40,000 kilometers, whichever comes first. 145 kilometers per hour is the maximum speed of the Prado 120 with the 5LE engine. 80% means 116 kilometers per hour. After water crossing, check that no water has mixed with the oil in the manual transmission. If water is mixed with the oil will be cloudy. In this event, change the oil. After several minutes, there is some metal debris on the magnetic drain plug. Install the clean drain plug with the new gasket. Part number 90,430 to 18,008. The required torque is 37 Newton meters. The updated Toyota owner's manual state that the 5-speed manual transmission requires Toyota manual transmission gear oil GL3 or GL475W90 or equivalent to achieve optimal performance. Be aware that depending on the particular characteristics of the gear oil used or the operating conditions, idle sound, shift feel, and/or fuel efficiency may be different or affected. Do not use GL5 oil. For a more detailed look at this bottle, watch my other video. This is the color of the new GL4 Toyota manual transmission gear oil. The G52 manual transmission requires 2.2 liters of oil. I will fill the transmission with a homemade pump. .2 liters of oil entered the manual transmission case. Check that the oil level is within 5 mm of the lowest point of the manual transmission case filler plug opening. When changing the oil, recheck the oil level after driving. Excessively large or small quantity of oil may cause some trouble. Install the clean filler plug with the new gasket. Part number 90,430 to 18,008. The required torque is 37 Newton meters. Thanks for watching. Bye.